What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing one of the WRX products that I've been waiting on, and we finally have it. See, the factory mats, they don't cover much. My car is a little dirty and I waited for it to be dirty like this so I can show you the video. So as you can see, the dirt never falls inside this factory mat, and it actually sucks. See, it doesn't cover anything. What I'm going to do is install super nice high weather mats that cover all the way on the walls and back there on the pedals, so it's going to protect the interior much better, especially for the winter that we have here in the East Coast. So we would definitely need those in this car. There we have it, the Husky liners. So these liners are super awesome because they cover all the way up behind the pedals, as you can see in the picture, and it's more of a like a bucket style liner, so it's definitely gonna protect the interior much better. So we're gonna unbox this. These are made in the US, and they're very high quality. This is the part number right here for you guys interested on it. So let's get these out of the box. So here we have the product. These are very high quality mats. You can find them from multiple cars, so I'm not sure if they make them for the DC5, but they do make them for the WRX. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So here we have the rear mats. It seems like it goes over the tunnel. This is the driver's side, so it goes over the tunnel and then goes onto the passenger side. So it does have spikes in the bottom, so they're not gonna move around, as you can see right there. So that's a really nice touch. This looks to be the driver's side mat. I'm really liking this a lot. So it's going to tuck away underneath the pedals, so it's gonna bring that dirt down onto the mat like it's supposed to do. So it has the Husky liner stamp right here, which is nice. It also has the spikes up on the front, and also the anchor points where it's going to secure this mat, and it's not gonna go underneath the pedals in a dangerous way. So let's put this on the side. And here is the passenger side, same thing. It tucks nicely underneath the console, so the dirt goes down, and same thing, the spikes are in place. So this is going to be a really nice addition to the interior, and I can't wait to install it because I've been waiting for these for a while. So something I want to show you really quick is this section right here. This section right here. The mat goes all the way over here, so it's going to cover this the gas lever right here. So what we need to do is, we have two options. We can leave it, and like every time we need it, we can like pull this up and like access the lever, but I don't want to do that. They give you the option that you can cut this out and then you'll have access. As you can see, it's already pre-cut. So what you need is a razor knife. So we're going to cut this out nicely, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we will be able to access the lever. So let's cut that out. Alright guys, so we are ready to throw in the weather mat. This is the driver's side, so let's get to it. out. Look at this thing. So now it's gonna protect the interior so much better now. As you can see, it has a lot more coverage in the interior, especially up behind the pedals. It looks super awesome back there. Super high quality, guys. These things are really high end. I didn't opt out for the WeatherTechs because the WeatherTechs actually do not protect behind the pedals. They cut out like right about here. So I was gonna get more coverage with the Huskies. So I went with the Huskies and I don't regret it. It looks so much better now. It's definitely gonna protect the interior. The only downside is that it covers the dead pedal, so I'm only gonna have 3 now. So the aluminum dead pedal that goes behind here, it's gonna be covered, which is fine. You know, I'd rather have protection than a damaged interior. So let's install the other 3 and I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, so the liners are back inside the car, and let me show you how it looks. Look at this thing. I absolutely love the coverage these mats do. Definitely gonna protect the interior. We do have Recaro seats. These are suede seats, so this interior is very high end. It even has red seat belts, so we want to protect the interior of this car. This car is very nice. We got red stitching everywhere, Alcantara everywhere. I'll show you the front, and this is the cutout that we did. You do have the option of leaving it, you know, sealed up, but you don't want to keep, you know, reaching behind there and then risk bending this mat. So make sure you cut it. I mean, it fits perfectly. It looks really nice. So as you can see, guys, the coverage on these things are absolutely amazing. We're gonna protect the interior of this car. We got the Recaro seats, of course, so super high-end weather mats, and I definitely recommend this brand. Alright guys, there you have it, the Husky liner installation. So make sure you check these out. These are absolutely awesome. They do have maximum coverage. They are better than the WeatherTech ones, so make sure you grab a set of these to protect your WRX or STI interior. I did do my research on the YouTube community, and I didn't find a video that showed a lot of details about these, so I decided to make a video for you guys. So make sure you thumbs up and also share it with your fellow WRX or STI owners. Also, make sure you subscribe for more Honda or Subaru videos. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and until the next one, peace.